Hey guys, what's going on today? Today is a review of the iSeeFly dog grooming kit. So I just purchased these. Obviously, like in some other videos, you know that I basically groom my own dog, and we kind of give her the haircuts and everything she needs at home. But I haven't always been able to do a perfect job at it, and it's just something we always kind of want to do instead of always having to drop them off at the groomers or anything like that. We just usually shave her down a little bit and some stuff, but I'm always having some problems with some actual scissors, whether it be the ears or the pads or the paws. I'm going to try to get to some places that obviously the dog groomers are going to do, but the traditional clippers don't actually do. I just use a set of wall dog clippers, nothing too fancy. But I picked up this one. Like I said, this is the iSeeFly kit that was on Amazon. It comes with obviously rounded tip scissors, good little comb, and just some obviously some scissors that have the serrated part, but actually kind of like it's like a saw blade. I'll show you guys those. But I wanted to do a quick review of these, and then we'll have one going in action here in a little while. Comes in a decent nice plastic. Nice and pretty solid. Like I said, here's the iSeeFly if you guys want to see it. It's iSeeFly. There you go. And obviously these are rounded tips, so that obviously if you go in, you're not actually gonna go in with the sharp tip scissor right to the dog, whatever part you're trying to trim up. So obviously right there I can nothing whatsoever actually cut me or not even really feeling it. Yeah, that's it. Like I said, these are I think the same exact scissors. These ones just are a little bit smaller. Again, same tip, rounded tips. So, I could feel a little bit of that one, but nothing bad at all. Actually, it did get me a little bit. So you gotta watch that little tip right there. Just kind of watch that tip right there. But anyway, yeah, keep going. Just like I said, get in the ears. Probably get a little bit of the pads right in there, so that you can actually get some of the hair from their pads. I was actually surprised that nicked me just a little bit. So yeah, obviously don't go in there full blazing thinking that it's not going to do anything to the pet's ears or anything, obviously when you're around delicate spots like that. But this is the biggest reason why I got these. Obviously these have the serrated kind of blade on this part that actually pushes against this nice solid blade. So when you come in here, there you go. That'll kind of help get that kind of the chest part that you can come in here and get those real easy, because normal scissors just don't cut as good, and obviously nor does it give you that kind of layered style look. And last we got the nice little tiny little baby ones here. Again, rounded tip, so I guess you could have some nice little precise movements on it, which will help. And then of course a nice sturdy comb. That'll help kind of get everything kind of, yeah, let's see. So you could hit, get the chest like that, kind of pop it out, and then just come in here and trim it up if you need it to that way. But like I said, that's the review of the iSeeFly kit. Comes in a nice little bag. This one is about $30 on Amazon. Sometimes they have 5. Right now they have a 5% coupon you can add to it, but like I said, this will just help you kind of go on if you're just doing a buzz cut. This will help you actually get the nice a good quality cut if you're wanting to actually groom your pets yourself, and obviously store these up so that you can give them a nice good cut and look as good as the groomers, hopefully. So anyway, hope you guys like that video. Come back and check out some other videos that I got. I do a video a day for a year. Kind of starting off with you guys the YouTube process, showing you, getting a video out there a day just to have a lot of content out there so that you can hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's a pretty hard task that YouTube puts on new subscribers and new channels, but it's what we got to do nonetheless. So anyway, hope you guys like this video, and come back and check me out for the other ones. See you guys in the next one. See you guys.